We're going to look at some word problems with inequalities. The lacrosse team can spend no more than $250 for hotel rooms for the tournament during spring break. Mr. S found an Airbnb condo for $75 a night. Write an inequality to find the number of nights the team can stay at this condo. So we're going to let n equal nights. And we have no more than $250 for hotel rooms. So n is less than or equal to $250. Now we have it's $75 a night. So how many nights can we stay at this Airbnb condo? Seems like a better deal than the hotel. So you're going to do 250 divided by 75, and n is less than or equal to 3.3 repeating. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many nights can we stay at this condo? We can only stay 3 nights. We could stay 2 nights. We could stay 1 night. We're not going to put a mark on the 0 because we need to go to the tournament and we need to stay somewhere, so we're not going to put a 0 there. So Mr. G found another condo that charges $65 per night. Can you stay for more nights? So we have $65 a night. And so let's see, how many nights can we stay there? So 250 divided by 65 is 3.84. So can we stay at this place? No, we can't because it's still only 3 nights. So no, because we need to have it be 4 or higher for us to get that 4th night. The rope Bob bought for camping is 54 inches long. He needs to cut shorter pieces of rope that are each 18 inches long. What are the possible number of pieces he can cut? So let's get our let statement here. I'm just going to do let R equal rope pieces, and R is going to be less than or equal to 54, but they're going to be 18 inches long. So R is less than or equal to 3, which means he can cut 0 pieces, 1 piece, 2 pieces, or 3 pieces of rope. And the last one, a pitcher holds 96 ounces of chocolate milk. What are the possible numbers of 10-ounce servings that one pitcher can fill? I'm going to just do let X equal number of servings. 10x is less than or equal to 96. And so you can pour 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 servings. And remember, when you graph these will all be solid dots. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Solid dots on those numbers, no heavy bar, because we're pouring full servings. The other thing that we have to remember is I need this answer. even though we're going to be rounding to make it applicable to what the word problem is asking for, I still need the math answer of x is less than or equal to 9.6. So please don't forget that.